Hey, it's Mac with Momentum. I'm going to show you how to get more leads for your kitchen remodeling business by using Google. So Google is most important if people are looking for kitchen remodeling near me, kitchen remodelers, custom design a new kitchen, so on and so forth. Google is where people go to a lot. They also ask friends and family and get referrals, or they go to Google. So I'm going to show you these two things that are very important. The first thing is your Google business profile. This needs fully optimized. Add your service areas, add photos, add videos, add posts and updates, add a bunch of description keywords, add your services, add your social media profiles, add your products and services, and most importantly, get more Google reviews. So right here is the profile, and you need to get reviews and respond to these reviews with keywords. It's very important. Get as many reviews as you can. And you can actually, if you're managing the profile, you can go into your profile and edit that profile to add more information. So that's the first most important thing, is your Google business profile. It's free and easy to use. You would log in on a computer or on Google Maps on your phone, and you can add posts, you can add photos, you can add videos, you can edit the profile, you can add a description, different categories, like kitchen remodeler, bathroom remodeler, general contractor, all this stuff. Add your location areas, your hours, etc., etc. But the most important thing you want to do here is update the profile weekly and share this Google review link or QR code with your friends, your family, your customers, your previous clients, so on and so forth. So fully optimize the profile and then get as many reviews as possible. That's the first thing. Second thing is running Google local service ads. If you're not sure what that is, just type in Google local service ads. It's free and easy to sign up and use. You just click here, sign in or get started. You create an account and a dashboard. So if I look at this client, for example, they have a fully set up profile that needs verified with your business information, your hours, your insurance, your billing information. Then you have to do a background check, connect your Google business profile, connect your reviews from the profile, set up your billing and budget, add your bathroom remodeling license, kitchen remodeling license, so on and so forth. And then you would go into your profile and fully set up your profile with more details, your hours, what job types you accept, what job types you don't accept, add photos, add more information. You can turn on messaging leads, and you only pay per lead. You can also get calls and text messages. You can choose your service areas. You can edit your hours. You can edit your specific details that make you stand out about the business. You can connect your website, and so on and so forth. So you could put 15 years of business, locally owned and operated, lifetime guarantee, free consultation, discounts available, free estimate, so on and so forth. And you can save that to the profile. And then you only pay per lead. So if you go to the reports here, you can get a report and check your reports, and you can also check and evaluate your leads. So in the last 30 days, he's gotten 4 phone call and 2 message leads, 6 leads for $420. It's much cheaper than Google pay-per-click ads buying keywords. Here you only pay for leads, and you can review all those leads and categorize those leads as good, as bad. You can book them, you can complete them, you can ask for reviews. So you can see new leads, active leads, booked leads, completed leads. You need to categorize all of these. So for a new profile, let's go to Kitchen Pros. Next steps here, after filling out all the setup information when creating the account, this is very important to get more leads. We need to upload the proof of insurance PDF. Get that verified. It takes up to 2 days. You need to take the background check. So when you log in, you go to Evident, you click this button, it opens up a new window, and you fill out your information, upload your license, put in your social security. I have another video on YouTube talking about that. We're going to connect the Google business profile. If it doesn't connect it immediately, you can contact support or call them with this number down here. In which case, once it connects, it'll connect the reviews as well. So your old customer reviews link will expire soon. Business profile verification. So we'll have to verify this profile. and then get your contractor license uploaded. So in California, business name, license number, expiration, and save that. Then we'll save the billing information and the budget. I would suggest starting your budget at a minimum of $500 a week just to be more competitive. It doesn't mean you're going to spend this amount. These leads on average will cost like $60 to $90. And so if you're getting good leads, obviously you want to spend more if you can handle more work. But you're not guaranteed to spend this every week because it's competitive. You only spend based on the leads that you get. So fill out the steps here: proof of insurance document, background check. I'll connect the business profile, or you can call support and add the license, and then go into the profile settings. And that's where we can add more photos, update your hours, put in any special information here, choose the type of work you provide, turn on messaging leads, and so on and so forth, and expand your areas. So those are the most important things. That is how to get more qualified leads, is focusing on your Google business profile here and getting more reviews, adding more information, and then focusing on Google local service ads, optimizing your account, managing the leads correctly. I have another video talking about that, how to manage leads and do the intake process and update your account. So these are the steps. Let me know if you have any questions. My name's Mac with Momentum Digital, and I'm here to help. So see you next time.